My name is Jake Jepson, and I'm a security researcher here at Red Balloon Security. And today on X-Ray Stuff, we are again looking at something not related to security, but is kind of cool to look at under X-rays. So we recently came across a report by a company that was essentially looking at, they were X-raying batteries and seeing the levels of anodes throughout the batteries, and using that for quality assurance purposes, which didn't know beforehand is a normal thing that they do. And so we just wanted to replicate some of the results and look at batteries in the X-ray machine as well. So first up, we have our OEM battery. This is a PK cell battery pulled from some device, and we'll go ahead and take a look at it. Alrighty, so what we can see here, so all of these paper-like things that you're seeing, those are the separators in the battery, and then between them we have the anode and cathode. And what we're looking for is pretty even levels between all of them. So in this OEM one, we can see that they start a little bit higher around the edges, get a little bit lower towards the middle, but overall these are nice straight lines. And that is, I guess, what they look for when they're doing quality assurance and battery testing. So this one checks out. This is what I guess a normal battery would look like. Alrighty, and here we have a Beta FPV battery. Beta FPV, they're a drone company, so I don't think they manufacture their own batteries, but that's just what's labeled on the battery. And we can see here on this one, we actually have these sort of waves going through in their anodes. And again, according to that report that we were seeing, that is not a good sign of a high quality battery. Alrighty, so up next we're going to take a look at a basic alkaline battery. So this isn't related to the report at all, it's just out of basic curiosity. We can see here we have a steel pin going through the center of it, surrounded by alkaline battery juice. And yeah, it doesn't have the same layers that maybe you're used to seeing in a typical lithium-ion battery. This is what an basic alkaline battery looks like in an X-ray machine. And then last up, we have a nickel metal hydride battery, which I did not know even existed until today. But this is what makes up all of those AA, AAA rechargeable batteries. Maybe not all of them, but at least many of them. And we can see here on these, apparently they were the precursors to the lithium-ion battery. They have layers in them, but they aren't quite as energy dense. And so that's what we're kind of seeing here. We see a bunch of layers. Obviously we can't see energy density, but this is what a basic nickel metal hydride battery looks like under an X-ray. Alrighty, and that does it for today. Thanks for watching.